Welcome to today's video. My name is Hamza, and in today's video we are going to be diving into three powerful functions in Excel. They are the match function, the substitute, and the split function. Whether you're an absolute beginner or you're just looking to expand your skills, then this tutorial will guide you step by step. Let's get started. The first one we want to look at is the match function. Match function helps you find the position of an item in a range. It's like a search tool that tells you where something is located. Let's look at a very simple example. We want to have a list of names in column A. I want to find out the position of one of the name. So let's type out the names. Let's give it random names. Now let's find out the position of Elisha. Let's go to column B and let's type out the formula. So we're going to use equal to. Remember, I always start with equal to, and we're going to type in match. So the search key, which is what are we searching for? We are searching for, I want to search for Elisha. And for the range, like which column is Elisha present? Is present in column A, which is the name. So let's click this John and drag it down. And let's put in comma. The search type, if it's 0, it means search the exact word we are looking for. If it's 0, so I'm going to put in 0 and we're going to put in bracket close and click enter. And let's delete this Benny. And it showed 3, it displayed 3 on our screen, which means if you count, John is 1, Becky is 2, and Elisha is 3. If we want to get like the value in position 3, all we need to do is add index to this. So if we type in index, bracket open, we're going to specify a reference, which is the like where do we want to match. So remember, we want to get it from this John to Farrell. So let's highlight it and let's put in our comma, click enter, and it displayed Elisha, which is the position. Remember, it displayed position 3 using the match function. As we added index to it, it displayed the value, which is Elisha. You can see how simple match is. So the next function is the substitute function. This function is great for replacing specific text within a string. If you want to replace specific text within a string, then the substitute function is the function to use. It's perfect for cleaning up data. Suppose you have a list of, let's say we have a list of email addresses. Let's cancel this data and let's, instead of names, let's put in, or let's go to column B and let's type in email addresses. Oh, sorry. Now let's add in some emails, or let's just put in emails. Let's add in some emails. Let's fill in some details. Okay, now we have email addresses. So now the next thing we are going to do is we are going to use the substitute function. What we are going to do is we are going to replace the .com with .org. So what we are going to do, we are going to fill in the formula. Let's type in equal to and type in substitute. I'm going to specify the text to search, and the text to search, let's start with B1. Let's say B1, comma, what are we searching for? We are searching for .com here, so let's put it in quotes. So what are we replacing .com with? We want to replace it with .org. Let's put it in quotes. And we're going to close the bracket. After we are done, we click enter. it is displaying emails. Let's revisit the formula, okay? Oh, sorry, that's because we put B1 here, which is emails. No, we are going to put in B2, B2 and click enter. And as you can see, B2 is random001@gmail.com. This .com is replaced with the .org word instead of .com. And if you want to fill in for the rest values, you navigate, go down, this plus icon, you drag it down, and the rest row is going to fill with .org. All instances of .com are replaced with .org. Finally, let's look at the split function. We're going to use, let's cancel this. Let's look at the split function. Let's say we have full names here. So let's give it random names. Let's say now each full name, we want to split it to first and last name. We want to split this full name, which is John Becker, John Doe, John Felin, John Mona. I want to split it to first and last name. So how are we going to do that? We're going to use the split function. So in this empty cell right here, we're going to navigate up, type equal to, and we're going to type in the split function, split. So we're going to specify the text. And the text here, we're going to start with A2. And the delimiter. The delimiter is what is separating the text. Just space. So we're going to put empty space right here. And we're going to close the bracket. Click enter. And guys, as you can see, so what happened? It displayed just now. And guys, as you can see, John Becker is now split into the first column and the second column, which is John Becker. It was in one column before, but now it is in separate column. To sum up everything, I said the match function helps you find positions. The substitute cleans up your text, and split organizes your data. These functions are incredibly powerful tools in Google Sheets that can save you tons of time and effort. Don't forget to like this video if you found this helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more.